Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how to change variant picker type from pills to Dropdown in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your Shopify control panel, click on themes, then click on edit theme, and then go to your catalog, go to your product like this, as you can see. And now you'll see, if you click on your pills or variant picker, just like here on the left side menu, you'll see this menu on the right side that shows up. If you don't see this, just zoom out a little bit and you'll see that. And right here you'll see the style. You can select drop down and you can select the swatch from the circle, square, or none, and just click save. And now you'll have drop down menu instead of pills. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.